In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Redmi. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and in them scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, tap on Additional Settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gbird. Finally, you can click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and click on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go into exactly the same settings. Swipe up and tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and tap on Next. Then adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!